I'm just a postie in a van with too much time to think, and I tried to use Siri, and the thought just occurred to me. I said phone Christy, and basically Siri, not knowing, not being able to ring fence my request, like searches the world, like searches everything. And the thought occurred to me that maybe it would be cool if you could sort of say to Siri, give it some sort of context rather than just expecting it to you know, know what you're saying. Like, so when I say Christy, when I'm talking to anyone in my world, my phone, uh, there's only one Christy. There's only one Christy in my life. So when I say phone Christy, that doesn't mean look up some company beginning with a K, it's Christy with a C, uh, and give me world, some answer, some world answer. It means phone Christy, which is my Christy. And in terms of AI, and maybe we're expecting too much, of Siri. And I've noticed this with other things as well, is it doesn't know what I'm thinking, what I'm meaning, and I'm thinking locally and globally. So we could say, maybe, to Siri or Alexa or all of these other things, uh, maybe somebody's thought of this already, I'm sure they have. But why isn't it happening in my phone? So some sort of command where it's like Siri local or Alexa global or something like that. And you give the actual AI like a hand, a quick hand, it's like, so then it knows that when I say Siri local, it knows just to sort of think about or to search the things within my phone. Nothing else. I'm not interested in some company globally. I'm interested in what's in my phone, what I've been looking at or searching or whatever, my interests. And then if I want to ask a global question like uh, Alexa, or I don't know what, Google, I don't know what other systems there are, but there are various systems. When I want to ask a global question, like the user wants to ask a global question, you would then say, you know, artificial intelligence assistant global. I don't want to specify. So Siri global, and then it's going to know, right, this question. In fact, it might even know to not consider my local search. Anyway, you know what I'm saying. It's obvious. Um, but as far as I can see, it's something that isn't being done, or hasn't been done in terms of phone searches and all that. So, yeah. So the idea of asking giving your artificial intelligence like a hint. So it's like, what I'm going to ask of you is a local question specific to my device and me personally. And then the next one is, what I'm going to ask of you is globally. I'm asking a global question. Yeah, and a lot of the time when I use my assistant, which is rarely because it never gets it right for me, um, I'm not interested in the global stuff. I want to know specific, like call Chrissy, call Ben, call Peter, my Peter, not, so give me a choice of the Peters, and also like, it can't tell between mobiles and homes. So if you amend the name. You know, if you've got like, it can't tell. It tells you the whole thing. It's literal. You know. Anyway, I've gone on too long. But there's still a lot of work to be done. Like a lot of work. And you know what? I'm not involved in any of it. I just sit here and moan because it doesn't work. All right. Thank you. It's just a thought. It's not an order or a demand. Just a thought. So the idea of local and global questions for your artificial intelligence. Right. Bye-bye.